Hey guys, welcome back. So let's see what's the status of Nifty in the weekly candles. And I'm sorry I couldn't make a video for last 3 to 4 days due to normally I used to take a break from the stock market trading because if I trade continuously for a month, so normally I used to take 3 to 4 days break. Just I'll be away from the stock market. So that is what happened last week. Even from last Friday onwards, sorry, Wednesday onwards, I didn't do any trading and I was simply away from the share market. So let's see what is the status of Nifty traded in last week. So last 3 weeks, if we take, it's a bullish candle. Like from 17th May week, it's almost Nifty gained almost 500 points, and 24th May month almost 260 points it gained, and last week it's 234 points has been gained. So it's giving a right indication, like it's a very bullish candles now. And the same time, if we have a look at the bank nifty, so it's the sad part is like it's not that much bullish like when comparing with nifty. The main reason for a bank nifty underperformance, the main reason is HDFC twins, like they have some personal issues like with the RBI, like their net banking is not perform well. The net banking, they have some problem with the net banking, and the RBI has banned for generating new credit cards to their customers. So most of the customers has turn to ICICI banks. So ICICI getting a you know good positive notes for last 1.5 2 months. And this bank nifty, the main reason for the underperformance, the main reason is HDFC. The same time, if we have a look at the Reliance, so the same way how this nifty performed for three weeks, see the Reliance performance also. It's first week it's shot up 65 points, and second week it's 92 points gain, and third week 95 points. So it's keep on going higher and higher only. At the same time, if any kind of good news has come for bank nifty, so the sorry HDFC, there is a possibilities of bank nifty going up. Okay, so we'll go for key levels for coming Monday. So before that, let us have a look at the open interest status. So in the Nifty, I have choose Nifty and 10th June expiry date. See, 15,700 has a lot of call option ratings. And at the same time, in the downside, the immediate support will be 15,500, and 15,700 has a lot of put option as well the call option also. So it's indicate market may go down. So like as per the open interest, it says 15,700 going to be a immediate resistance. So once it's touched, it may go down, and the immediate support will be 15,500. So that is the open interest says. But in reality, if you could see the Singapore Nifty, I'll have a look at the day candle. See, it's almost 15,797. It's 15,800. But our Nifty, it's 15,600. Like it's almost 15,675. It's almost 125 points downstairs. So you need to have a close watch before you entering to the market tomorrow by 8 8 8:45 or 8:50. Just have a look at the Singapore Nifty. So if it's sustained above 15,800, so 100% you can expect Nifty to open minimum 100 points up. And whether it's sustained or not, it's a second part, but definitely it will open upside only. And the same time, if it's open up, if it open 15,800 and it's sustained there, so all the people who are made the call option in 15,700, they have to close the calls and they need to cover up the losses. They need to run another call, so which will take the Nifty further higher. So if you could see the Nifty, uh, I'll tell you exactly the cover. Like if you could see 31st May, it's simply going up. There is no price rejection, there is no coming back, so it's simply going away up. I'll get you the clear picture, so it will get the, sorry for making delay. See, this is the way it will work. It will it will open up high, it will go straight high, 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 and there is a small profit booking might come. This is the way it will go. It will go simply high only, and this is there the people they'll do the profit booking, and that is also will take you further upside only. So I don't have much options, much indicator in the upside, because I don't see any much price reaction in the top side, since we are all are in the all time high. So it's very difficult for me to get the clear key level for the upside. So here I have marked, if the market breaks 15,709, so I'll go for a call option and I'll buy the call option. I'll keep my first target 15,727, 15,746. It's the second option, second target. And the same time, if the market goes down 15,693, if it's break 15,693, so I'll go for a put option. I'll buy the put option and I'll keep my first target 15,674 and 15,652 and 15,626. And you would have see this 15,652. Why I marked as a yellow candle? The main reason, so it worked. It's working as a huge support for the Nifty. So whenever it comes over here, immediately the buyers jumping and coming over there and started to buy and taking the Nifty to higher level. So this happened in last 1 to 3 weeks, sorry, last 3 4 trading sections. So that is the reason I have marked this one in the golden color. So whenever in my trading, so whenever the Nifty touch 15,652, so I'll close my eyes and I'll go for a call option and I'll keep up to this much, 15,725 is the target. Okay, so that is the one. And let us go for a Bank Nifty. Yeah, Bank Nifty, it's like it's strange open interest. See, 15,500 has a lot of call option as well as the put options, and 15,600 is the second highest put option, sorry, call option. And if I take down, so 34,500 is a second highest put option writing. So it's clearly indicate like Bank Nifty is not as positive as Nifty. So according to this open interest chart, so it will go in the sideways only, sideways. So that is, yeah, it goes sideways only. The immediate support, it's going to be 35,500, and sorry, immediate resistance will be 35,500, and the first support 35,000. If 35,000 also broke, then it will immediate support will be 34,500 going to be the immediate support. And if I have a look at the Bank Nifty key levels, okay, so if Bank Nifty key levels, if it's break 35,571, then I'll go for a call option. I'll buy the call option. I'll keep my first target 35,697, 35,801, 35,899. I'll keep this is the target. And the same time, if it's a downside, if it's break 35,447, then I'll buy the put option. I'll keep my first target 35,344, 35,223, and the third target will be 35,109. And the same way, in the Nifty also I have marked a certain level as golden color. The main reason in this 35,109 is acted as a support like anything. So last see 31st March, sorry, May, the last support was the price rejection came almost 31st of March, and it's became a huge support also. So if it's break this 35,109, so it's going to be a huge sell off. So, and it's very difficult for Bank Nifty to break this 35,109. So that is the reason. So normally, even last week also, what I had done, once it's touched 35,109, so I brought 3 to 4 lots in Bank Nifty call option, and it's within half an hour it's almost hit 3 to 4 target. So that is the reason I kept 35,109 is a main key tool. At the same time, last couple of week I was started to giving the swing trade options also. So first of all, I had given the ITC. So ITC, I didn't expect this much down it will come. It's like it's close to 215, and next day open almost 208. It's like almost 5 rupees gap down open. So it's sustained here. So still, if you going for a 10 years, 15 years long term investment, so you can go ahead for ITC, and you can accumulate as much as you want in between 205 to 213. So ITC slightly go higher side in terms of last RBI government announcement. So ITC hotels, there is a possibilities of getting good support because of RBI policy announced. And the next one, the Bandhan Bank. So Bandhan Bank, I was keep on telling you to accumulate the stocks in between 300 to 290 rupees. So I started to give the indication from 26th May onwards. So I started, even I have also a lot of shares in this one. So as I expected, it's clearly going, and I kept my first target 326 and 357 going to be the second target. And the same time, if it's underperformance, if it goes below 301, I will started to accumulate in between 279 to 300. So I started to accumulate as much as possible, and it's quite difficult to break 301 rupees because it's going to be a huge support and resistance, and it's cannot be broke, I guess. And the next one is Wipro. Is okay, the Wipro, I even from 26 onwards I was giving the indication, so you can there is a couple of red candles will come, so then you can go ahead and buy and accumulate for a long term users. So this is also in a sideways, so these are the right option, time you can buy some shares over there. And Wipro is in all time high position, so I don't have much detail what is the status will be in the high, and it's getting rejected in these other sections like 545 rupees is going to be the immediate support, I guess. So in my point of view, I'll accumulate the stocks in between 545 to 527. So there is a possibilities of going higher side, and the bell also is also in right position where you can accumulate well also for the long terms, and it's a good dividend yield stock also, so you can go for a long term. So this is the right time, so there is a possibility it will reach once it's break this 73 rupees. It's lot of time it's getting rejected when it's crossed 73. So once it's crossed over there, so the immediate support will be 80 rupees, and resistance will be 80 rupees and 89 rupees. So if you take long term, so these are the nice price. Even I got this stocks when it was trading almost 42 43 rupees. So it's almost giving 40 percentage profit. At the same time, IndusInd Bank, so it's also giving a nice possibilities. So where here you can accumulate as much as you want, and it's going to be the immediate support resistance will be 1116. And then oops, sorry, I didn't get any notification and marked any key level. And the third, voltas. So voltas, I was keep on giving the calls to my WhatsApp group when it was 26th of May. I started giving voltas 1040 rupees call option in the month of June. So it was giving a nice upper circuit, and from 2nd June and 3rd June it's blast like anything. It went almost 2nd June it's 21 rupees gain, and 3rd June it's 77 rupees gain. So when I these times Voltas 1040 call option was trading around in between 23 to 30 rupees, and last 4th of June it was trading almost 80 or 85 to 90 rupees. So it's almost huge profit, almost 4 times profit has been given. I don't know what is my what's the people they have done. Even I was not there for last 4 trading session. And there is a possibilities in Tata Powers also. So Tata Powers has good couple of good newses over there. So it's immediate support resistance, I could say 120 rupees, because there is a possibilities of 120 rupees going to be reached immediately as like voltas. So there is couple of red candles, so it's fine, we can accumulate as much as possible. So immediate support, immediate resistance going to be 110. Once the 110 broken, then it will go higher and higher, and it's may cross 130 also. That's it for today, and trade carefully tomorrow.